Hello viewers, a lot of users want to know which tablet or iPad they should buy. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or iPad 11th generation. Today in this video, I will compare the most popular tablet Samsung Galaxy S9 FE Plus and iPad 11th generation. So let's find out which is better for you. Starting with the display, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 12.4-inch TFT LCD screen featuring 90Hz refresh rate. It's great for watching Netflix or YouTube thanks to its large and vibrant display. The iPad 11th generation, on the other hand, has a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with True Tone and P. The display is 60Hz and non-laminated. Though smaller, it delivers superior color accuracy, brightness, and giving Apple the edge here. I like personally the display of iPad 11th generation. Both the tablets manage strong battery life. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus has a massive 10,090 mAh battery, easily powering through long hours of browsing or video streaming. iPad 11th generation packs a smaller battery, but thanks to its iPad OS optimization, it delivers very similar endurance. But still, I would say that Tab S9 FE Plus battery has an edge. When it comes to writing and note-taking, Tab S9 FE Plus includes the Samsung S Pen right in the box. The stylus responds quickly, making it a great for notes, drawing or PDF editing. With the iPad 11th generation, you will need to buy Apple Pencil separately. Depending on the model, it supports the first gen or second gen pencil, and while the writing experience is fantastic, smooth and precise, it does come with an extra cost. However, you can buy third-party ipencil by spending around 1.2k. I am using Kingone ipencil, which is very good in terms of writing experience. Between these two devices, I enjoy writing on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. In terms of multitasking, Tab S9 FE Plus comes with one UI that lets you run up to 3 apps on split screen and even add floating windows. iPad OS 18 or iPad OS 26 beta version offers Stretch Manager, Split View and Slide Over. While multitasking on iPad is very capable, Samsung approach feels more flexible and power user-friendly. If you use both the devices side by side, iPad 11th will be felt smoother due to its A16 Bionic chipset inside it. For software updates, Samsung Galaxy S9 FE Plus promises 4 years of Android OS and 5 years of security update. But Apple will provide you 5 to 6 years of iPad OS updates, which is better, and so in the long run, Apple pulls ahead on software support. Price in BBD sale will be 22 to 23,000 rupees for Tab S9 FE Plus. On the other hand, if you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be around 25 to 26,000 rupees. So in the conclusion, which device should you choose? If you want a large display included with S Pen and enhanced multitasking, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a great choice. On the other hand, if you prefer longer software support, app optimization and arguably the best writing experience with Apple Writing, then iPad 11th generation is a clear winner. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or iPad you are planning to buy during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to know anything about these two devices, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.